In the words of Jerry Falwell, forgive me, for I have sinned.
I have sinned against you, my Lord.
Yeah, I have done something I've never done before. I have not listened to all of the subscribers. Sorry about that. Absolutely. Today's video, we are going to redo everything that we have done on the car. Yep. All of the work that we have put into this car is going away. The blue fender is going away. The blue bumper is going away. The silver door is going away. And if you're not quiet, you are going away. Why, you ask? Well, someone found a car just like this in the salvage yard, and yes, I purchased some parts. We have a color match fender. We have a color match and year appropriate door, and we have a color match and year appropriate fender right here, and we have the correct fender. I called that a fender. That's a bumper, Mike. Come on. And we have the correct wheel well liner, the fender liner. Yes, so what we're going to do is fix that monstrosity right there, put a muzzle on the duck, and tell Lola if she pees on my fender, you are going to be in so much trouble. Do not do that, okay? So, without further ado, with all these other cars that need my attention, we're going to take off everything that we put on, and we're going to put on the good stuff. So enjoy some music. This is going to be quick. I'm going to show you how to do some plastic welding as well, because we have an issue right there. And of course, we have an issue right here. I'm hoping I can plastic weld these two pieces. So let the music begin. Making all kinds of progress, and I got to tell you, that's what happens when you go to the junkyard and you find a car that is the same. I think it's LHK color. Look at this. It's beautiful. It's fitting better as well. Okay, so this is kind of just a dry run, and I just put all the bolts in to cover up, where they were before, and it's like almost perfect. Okay, the gap here is perfect. The gap right down through here is absolutely perfect. We're working on the bumper. I'm doing my plastic welding. I can't find my other tool. It's the one with the wire. You put the wire in it and it kind of melts into the plastic. I don't know what happened to that one. So I've got just my plastic welder. So this is what I've done right here. Okay, so this is going to be fantastic. And I fixed the huge crack in the wheel well liner, and that's going to be fantastic as well. So we are certainly making a lot of progress. Now I have noticed that the side attachment piece was broken. Okay, this is the broken one right here, and it fits, come here, just like this. Okay, so I've repaired it here. I'll put a couple of washers. Where'd you go, dude? Here it is. Here it is. Okay, and then we'll just, rivet this in place, and it's going to be fine, and it's got that attachment point and that attachment point, so it's going to be perfect. I will rivet that in. We will attach this, and I am so excited about this. I don't know if I have time to get the door today because we're chasing daylight, and I still want to go out and get the hood, and I'm even thinking about getting the other door, so we'll just kind of see what happens. But so far, I'm loving it. The car's back on the ground. The car is happy. The duck is looking good. just took a bath. Lola is somewhere. But take a look at this. Yes, I know it's hard to see. It's dark out here, but 1,000 times better. Even the fit around here. It's amazing how, I don't know why I have a gap right here still, but at least it fits right back down in through here. So that looks good. This is still a thing. I might push this back behind it. I'm liking the panel gaps all the way there. I'm loving the panel gap right here for the hood. The hood, I may go out and try to rescue. The only thing is I don't have a car that I can put the hood in or on, because that old Mercedes wagon is getting painted and there's nothing to put it on unless I drove the Jaguar without a hood, went and got a hood and threw it on in the parking lot, which you're not supposed to do, by the way. They do not want you to do that. How hideous is this gray door, though? So, yeah, one of the reasons I did this is because this is different. It doesn't fit quite right. This had the dark panel right here. It just doesn't fit. In 04, I think they changed the doors, and it looked horrible. Okay. Another reason I did this is because all of the bottom bracing for the bumper was in good condition on this bumper, so there's no gaps. There's nothing kind of pieced together, although I do have some zip ties holding the bottom tray to the frame. I couldn't get around that. That's all I could do. Zip ties are great. They'll last for, 3 or 4 weeks. But this is so much better. And yes, a quick little wax. I'll probably even buff this because there is a little bit of a color difference here and here. This has not been waxed in such a very long time. So we'll do that. And I'm expecting great things. Okay, so tomorrow we will do the door. We might even go get the other door, because this is a huge dent. This is a scratch. The other door was in good condition. So I got the replacement door for 75 bucks. Okay, I have the speaker, I've got the window, the motor, everything else. So I can sell this one and piece it out. So I may spend 75 bucks for this. For the new bumper, the new fender, and the new wheel well liner, it was 110. So I'm 185 into this. Okay, the old parts were 100 bucks for the bumper and the fender, and then 40 for the door. So I only threw away 140 bucks minus whatever I get when I sell them, because I think I am going to put them on Marketplace. So it's not that bad. It's really not that bad. We're going to stick with the original color. Missy's going to love it. We're going to go pick her up for lunch in this car. It's going to be fantastic, and she's going to love it. I don't know. Do you want to go? You want to go to lunch with me and Missy? What, do you think she'd like that? Maybe not. All right. Well, tomorrow is another day, and we'll continue the video then. We're back. It's a beautiful, brisk day now, and I've got big plans for the Jaguar. You agree? Do you agree? Yeah, you're looking pretty. Anyway, it's time to replace the hood. Yeah, so because the panels matched so well and the other hood is in way better condition than this, I'm going to get it. So I'm going to take this off, then we're just going to drive without a hood to the U-pull place, and I'll put it on in the parking lot. You're not supposed to, so maybe I'll just drive to the side of the highway very carefully, and we'll put it on, okay? So what we need to do is basically just remove this, and I'm taking very few tools with me. So this looks very, very easy to do. I don't have to worry about all kinds of what I do. Do I? Yep. Nope. Somewhere there's going to be a wire for these right here, a little hose. So I got to figure out where that is, and then we'll take it off, and I'm just going to drive like this. We're going to town with no hood. Yeehaw! She's off and she's good to go. And there's the hose is just a regular hose like this right here. There's not like a little, sometimes these windshield washer hoses will have a little electric current, a little wire going through so it doesn't freeze. Not so with the Jaguar. So it's just the hose that I had to unplug. So as far as tools, I'm going to take this. I'm going to take a couple of screwdrivers. I'm not going to take the duck. I'm sorry. Okay. Let's see. What else am I going to take? We're going to throw this in here. We got screwdrivers. This. We're going to put this in here. I do need to get another little bolt for the rear seat belt. So I'm going to take these. And I think that's about all I'm going to take, because I don't want to be weighed down, because I got to carry the hood, which is over there, out of the yard. I can't put it on a wheelbarrow because it's not going to work. So maybe, what else might I grab? A couple of gloves, maybe. Let's see, what else? I'm thinking maybe just a regular 13 wrench, because just in case. Where is it? Is this it? 14. Anyway, okay, we'll find a 13 wrench. That's the size of the bolts on the hood, just in case I need it. And then, I don't know why, I might just bring this. Okay, other than that, let's go pull a hood. Oh, we are making it to the junkyard, kind of. So I did stop and put in some gas. I don't have the microphones with me, but yeah, she's a little wobbly, and when she turns, she makes a weird sound, but you know, nothing is perfect in life, like I always say. We're gonna try to, I'm kind of worried about my brake light, right brake light. I think the left one is off too. So we're gonna have to stop and get some light bulbs. But hopefully we'll make it. There's a little miss every once in a while, but we're going almost 70. We have about 6 miles to go. So hopefully, cross your fingers. Well, believe it or not, we made it. And now we're looking for row 10. And hopefully that's not where he's going to pull all the cars and crush them. No, we're still there, and I see the hood. So we're in great shape. Someone took the Jaguar emblem, the little cat, the prowling cat, the prancing cat, but there it is, right there. She's gorgeous. Oh, you know what else I need? I need brake lights. Let's see if I can take some brake lights as well as the bolt that I need, which is right in there, and then the hood, which looks to be in pretty good shape. There are some scratches, but who cares? It's way better than mine. All right, you want to see something gorgeous? Look at this, baby. Look at that. Sorry, still no microphone. This is a parking lot alignment job, and I'm not even supposed to be doing it, but look at that. She is going to be gorgeous again. She really is. We still have an issue when I'm turning. Something on one of the tires isn't very happy. I'm guessing it's that bolt right there, maybe. That seems to be sticking out a little bit. Let's just see if we can take it out. Nope, we can't. Okay, we're just not going to turn very sharp. Oh, I forgot the taillights. Okay, hold on. I got to put my taillights in. Well, let's see what we did. Did we fix anything? She starts way easier. Right brake lamp failed. Left brake lamp failed. Driver's door open. Apply park brake. No, I think the lights work. So look at that. We can cruise home in style. Oh my gosh, this car has never looked so good. And it's all thanks to this guy right here, Danny, and his U-Pull-It place. Danny's U-Pull, Tulsa, Oklahoma. I've saved so much money. So the hood and the struts, I got the struts too, and I don't think they charged me for the light bulbs. It was $89 for a hood. What's it cost to get a hood painted? Cha-ching. And it's in the right color, and I can just transfer the little Jaguar emblem. Oh, I'm so happy. We still have a parking brake fault, but that's all. So I am 100% legal now. Well, except for the fact that my rearview mirror is sitting on the floor. Oh, this is cool. Uh-oh. Oh, that's my seatbelt. Okay, anyway, let's get the car home and we'll finish this. We're back. We've given the car a quick wash and she's looking fantastic. All I have to do now is a couple of little bolt-on pieces, okay? You know what this is for. I've been looking for a bolt just like this for about a week. And then we're gonna put the emblem on, and I think that's gonna do it for the video, but she is looking fantastic. This right here goes right there, okay? So I have no idea how you unhook this. I just don't even know. And every time I find one of these in the junkyard, these are hooked. I don't know how to do it. So we'll put the seat on. This will go through the seat, and then we'll bolt it up, and then we get to put the shiny little Jaguar, the cat. We're putting the cat back on the hood. Rear seat is installed. Seatbelts are ready to go, which is fantastic. Now, let's take, ooh. I'm noticing this more and more. Maybe I should get the other door. I don't know. We'll just have to see. Time now for the prowling, prancing kitty cat. Yep, this actually just sits in the hole, and then there's a little nut right here that attaches it from beneath. So all we have to do is put this through just like that, and then I attach it with this right here. But I'm going the wrong way. I got to go this way. Here we go. Yeah, it's a 24, so we'll get it tightened, and I'll show you what she looks like. So I use the very last of my aluminum metal polish, which is great for headlights, by the way, and look how nice these look. Yeah, isn't that gorgeous? Here we go. It's the final reveal. I've got to put these things on still, but I just want to end the video and show you what she looks like, and that is the hose that I have to reconnect to the windshield washers. But are you ready? Here it is. There it is. Look at how gorgeous she looks. Oh, yeah, this is like a whole new car. This is absolutely an entirely different car. There's your full view right there. Look at that. How far has she come since we finally got a key made? I mean, she sat for, I want to say, almost, I don't know, 10 years, 14 years or something in the field. And then Missy wanted me to bring her back to life, so we did. And then she sat right there for probably 6 months waiting for parts. And then once we got the key made and she started, I began the makeover process, and it's unbelievable. That is so, so cool. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to, we'll give her a polish. She is going to go for paint. We have to get the top painted, and we're going to get the trunk painted. Okay, so it looks fantastic. Maybe we'll even paint this, the bumper, or I get the new one because it's the same color. I don't know, but they're going to have to, I don't know, maybe I'll get the new bumper. It's 40 bucks. Not very expensive at all, okay? But that, yeah, change the oil, do a little polishing, and she is good to go. She is gorgeous, baby. Yes, sir, Bob. We have us a running and driving kitty cat. Jaguar, old school Jaguar, the old logo. I don't want to start the topic of what everyone thinks about the new logo. If you haven't checked it out, it is weird. It's the rebrand, and they're going to be all electric vehicles, and it is just, the font is weird. The commercial is weird. Everything is just like, kind of cuckoo. Oh, I forgot about this. Yeah, my rearview mirror, we'll have to put that on too. I have to get some more of this glue stuff. Not a big deal. The more I look, the more problems I see, but we'll continue making videos on this, and I am going to take this over to my hometown. We'll take Missy, surprise her with this. If you haven't heard, if you haven't been following along with this series, this was Missy is a friend that I've had since second grade, closest friend I've ever had, and her brother bought the car new. Then he gave it to her son, who drove it around for years and years and years, and then it just kind of went to the wayside. Her son got a different car, and this one sat in a field for, I don't even know how long anymore. I really don't know. There was a sticker right here where the mileage was 237, and this was 4/5, my birthday of 2015. So I'm going to say 2015 is the last time it was on the road. So 9 years. How funny. That's my birthday. April 5th. Very cool. But she's looking better than ever. She's running. She's driving great. And I'm loving it. So we are going to take this over to my hometown. We'll take Missy, surprise her, take her to lunch, and see what she has to say about this. All right, everybody. We'll continue making these videos. And, of course, I've got more on the beautiful W126 right there. And, of course, we're waiting on a transmission for the 124 wagon right there. All right. We will see you soon, everybody. Have a great day. All right. On behalf of Benzo the Duck and Lola. Bye-bye.